Hi, I'm Chaplain Dan Middlebrooks, CEO and founder of Chaplaincy Care. And on behalf of us here at Chaplaincy Care and Operation Restore, we want to reach out to all of our veterans and all of our first responders that continuously, every single day, give of their life, give of their time, and give of their passion in order to protect us as a nation, as a community, and as a city. On us of what we do, it is important for us to remember that you take care of us, but it is our responsibility to take care of you. On this day, this September 11th, recognition of both our military and all of our first responders right here in our community, we are incredibly thankful for the burden that you bear every single day. And especially with our military right now, we want to extend an incredible amount of both prayer and thanks to each and every one of you, not to those who have also served, but those who are currently serving. On behalf of us here at Chaplaincy Care and Operation Restore, we stand with you, and if necessary, we will stand in front of you. God bless you in everything you do, and may God continue to use you and all of us that stand beside you to keep this nation safe, free, and great.